Good morning, everyone. It's a bathroom party. Both kids. All kids.
All kids.
All the kids.
Okay.
Are you guys exciting stuff today? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my abrupt intro. First off, good news is we got a new washer and dryer. Ever since we moved in this house, like the washer and dryer was definitely
Original.
like it was a stand-up. That's really the only room we have for one. And it was like from, I swear to God, probably like the early 90s when the house was built. And I'll have to show you guys. I'm really excited about it because if you guys have followed me, you know I've had the worst issue with my washer and dryer. So very stoked. Other than that, today we are doing the most dreaded thing I make videos about. And that is cleaning, purging, and reorganizing
My activewear.
We have a little bit of a closet project that we want to do, and with that being said, I need to make sure that all my stuff is purged. You guys know I get activewear all the time on top of maybe a splurge of my own here or there, you know, maybe some Lululemon, maybe a different brand, maybe Alphalete, you know, something like that that I buy. Nonetheless, buying extra of what I already get. Why do I do that? That's a swimmer. Go ask Dad for a diaper. They really do always just come to Mom, don't they? We're gonna go to Target. I have a blowout today, which it's a complimentary blowout, and you might be thinking, Des, what are you blowing out? Because you have no hair, and you're absolutely right. But we're gonna go over to South Bend. We're gonna stop at our favorite place, Target. We're gonna stop at our other favorite place,
Starbucks.
I swear, if you guys don't like enjoy a Starbucks drink during my videos, I'm worried. Like, we should all be on the same wavelength. Let's go have a great day. Let's go get some storage boxes, do a little Target haul, do a huge purge, reorganize the closet, maybe get some stuff hung up because we're redoing it, and go from there. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, give her a thumbs up, subscribe, so you never miss a video from me. Last new part in my morning routine, guys, I'm finally trying the Grande Lash serum. You guys have been begging me to try this ever since I started using the heated lash curler. You guys are like, Des, I think you would like the lash serum. And I was like, well, my eyelashes are already long, but like, fuck it, why not make them longer? I'm applying this, I'm only like 2 days in, so this is very new, but I'm putting the lash serum on and then I'm going right above my eyelid. Like, you might be thinking, well, Des, you're not on your lash line. But from what I read, a lot of people said when they put it just above the lash line and avoided the eye like that, not only did they see results, but then they saw no irritation to the eyes. This is strong stuff. The other thing I've been using for about a week or two now, probably 2 weeks, is this Grande Brow. So they actually have this really cool like bride-to-be package where like all this stuff is packaged up. So if you're a bride, you should go get it. You can use my code DESB to get 15% off all grandecosmetics.com. So this is like everything: mascara, brow products, lip products, serums, like everything. Last thing I used, and I've been using this for like over a year, this is not a serum or anything, it's a leave-in lash conditioner. So I put this right on my lashes, and I typically do this in the morning because I just don't really go anywhere in the morning, so it has its time to kind of sit and marinate. And then before I go to bed, I don't want like to lay on my face and stuff with it, right? So I just put this lash conditioner on, and this is what's really allowed my lashes to heal after damaging them last year so badly with my mechanical lash curler. So, okay, let's go get the day started. I'll see you guys when we go to Target and get on our way to our blowout, and from there. I have 1 hour till I need to leave. Yes, how cute is this new Lonnie Stanley? Alright guys, big breakthrough today. I'm not gonna go to Starbucks. Because I want to be able to have an Alani energy, and I think that doing coffee and energy drink is just like too much all the time, so I'm just gonna do a little Nespresso. It's got a little dust on it, but I'm gonna do an espresso coffee and call that my caffeine. So, all right, back to the day. ahead and got my nails done. I didn't get like a fill or anything. I just changed my polish and she kind of reshaped them. Kind of like basic for me, but I wanted just, I don't know, I just wanted like a staple look. Like the pink French tip was just getting too much for me. So I just went ahead and did that, and then I went and got Chipotle since I'm kind of out and away from home. So how I went ahead and tracked that, because if you watched last week's video, you'll know that I am tracking. I went ahead and went to the Chipotle website and I typed in Chipotle nutrition calculator, and what it allowed me to do was, and again, remember this is gonna be not super accurate, but at least it allows you to account for something. It gives you the option to add in like whatever you're having. You can put, you know, light, extra, like normal, whatever, and then at the end it goes ahead and gives you your nutritional breakdown. So I just clicked full nutrition and I copied the fats, the carbs, the protein, and the fiber into my app, and I have my Chipotle. When I was in prep, guys, I would literally ask for everything in a separate container, like in the little plastic containers that they have, and I would go home and measure it. So I might have gotten a lot of weird stares at that time, but you know what, I went pro because of it, you know what I mean? But really funny, because when I was in there, I was checking out and this girl came up to me and she was like, I just have to tell you, you are so pretty, and like I have to tell you that, and like literally it made my day. It's funny because like someone actually commented on my video last week and said that they liked my short blonde hair, but like my hair now makes me look like a buff Lord Farquaad. I was kind of like, oh my god, is my hair really like ugly? And so that compliment just like made my day. So anyways. People probably think I'm the crazy one right now for eating out of the back of my car in a Target parking lot, but first off, it's beautiful out. Second off, this makes me feel like a teenager. And third off, you're the crazy one for not doing this. Also, you obviously don't have kids, because this feels like a vacation. It is literally so nice out, it's crazy. I am 15 minutes into leaving my nail appointment and already kind of regretting the French tip, so that part really sucks, but it's fine, we're gonna be okay. I'm gonna head into Target, I'm gonna grab my little, you know, Target drink. We discussed this last episode. See, this is where like I think that I have my own reality show, like in last week's episode. Let's go get my cherry slush and walk around Target and get some stuff, shall we? Expect more, pay more. Expect less, pay more. Because really, I go in here expecting to get less than I do when I pay more. As always, cherry slush. And I always got to get the boys one of these. So let's Paw Patrol, look at gold. Okay, grab those two. I hate that I have such an obsession with like cups and stuff, because like, trust me, I don't need any more. And once you guys see what's coming from Hydro Jug 2, I can promise you, you won't need anything else. Hold up. Hey. Just kidding, I've just always wanted to do that. Baby, this is what you came for. Yeah, I need a ton of storage boxes for organizing, so let's get a few. I think probably only like 3. I have a few downstairs, but oh shit. You just smell like toxins. Do you ever want to like get stuff, but you're just not sure if it'll fit? And then you're like, never mind. I don't know if it's just me, but there's something so euphoric about when everything fits so perfectly. It's kind of like when you're packing to like go on a trip and everything fits in your suitcase, like in the right square, in the right everything. I'm obsessed. Family time! All right, children. We're gonna go through mom's clothes. I got done with my podcast recording early. We got some new stuff to organize our closet. I got some stuff at Target too. I have my garage sale gun. Start tagging stuff and we're gonna get right into it. But I do wanna definitely give one of you guys a fun little box. So I hate that I look like an Oompa Loompa right now, or Willy Wonka. The blowout isn't blowing. If you guys wear like size small, maybe medium tops, drop a comment that'll make me laugh. I literally don't care what it says. And maybe it's a funny story. Maybe it's an embarrassing story. But I'll pick one of you guys by next week to send like a really big box to, so stay tuned. But let's go do some damage. By the way, one of the best ways I have been hitting some extra protein are these Cheesehead light cheese sticks. Frigio. I used to eat them all the time, like don't get me wrong, but I haven't in years. Nonetheless, like remembered what the macros are. Literally so fire for just a couple macros, and it doesn't make you shit your pants, so cheers. These are just sports bras. I want to make that very clear. Oh my god.
That's so many.
Can you take a picture?
That's so many boobs. You know what I mean?
Thank you. So those are no's. One more little bit to go, kind of, technically a lot. That's what's accumulated, way more than I thought I would have, and I still honestly have a lot more to go, but I'm motivated and I'm gonna finish it up. No, like this is a problem. This is a problem. Dude, this is so bad. Oh my god. I'm kind of like just having to go off of instinct. Like, have I worn these? Yes, no. Will I wear these? Yes, no. Because this is a lot. I feel like you guys can't even get the actual severity of how much clothing there is.
You're 8 feet tall right now.
Come stand by me. As close as you can.
Maybe not 8 feet.
Like, he's 6'3". So, yeah.
Yeah, you're about LeBron James.
That's
6'9".
crazy. That's crazy to think about.
Nice.
LeBron James.
LeBron James. Did you actually fall, or was that you?
No, I tried to jump and then I got kind of scared. Wyatt is making me some food, so let's go check that out. Look at that. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretend like that doesn't exist. It is 7:19. Come on! He's smiling at me. Oh, there he comes. Hi! 7:19. Wyatt made me a few bear chicken breast fillets.
They smell so good.
They're so good. We will see you guys for the final results of how many bags and tubs we fill up. Say bye. Bye. All right, you do it again. Bye.
Bye.
Is this your good hand?
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I love him so much. I just want everyone to fucking know that. Wyatt is putting Archie to bed, and I get to test out our brand new washer and dryer. We don't have the best lighting in here, so it's kind of hard to show you guys, but Wyatt surprised me with a brand new washer and dryer today. I'm so excited to use it. So let's do our first like load together, you know? I'm doing all the kids' clothes first because worst case, if it fucks up, like it's just their clothes. They also have not done their laundry in like a week or two, so they have like no clothes. Washer. Ooh! Maddox, come look at the new washer. Look!
New washer!
Look at the new washer. Don't touch it. Wow. Isn't that cool?
What's this mean?
That means it's going. Looks like Dad already put something in the dryer. So let's fluff it up. Can I do that? Wrinkle care? I guess I can do less time. Here, watch out. Cool. Okay, Max, let's go. This is his favorite way to get out of knowing he's going to bed, is that he says he needs to eat. Smart man. Guys, 11:02. I can finally see my floor again, but I still have this stuff. I'm gonna put this stuff on my Poshmark. I still feel like it's kind of messy in here, but I'm ready to go to bed, that's for sure. So I'm gonna go put a few things back up. Dude, I'm so tired, I can't even think. I don't even know what to say.
The next morning.
Good morning. I'm refreshed, I'm rejuvenated, and I'm ready to go. What?
Ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready to go. I just gotta get changed. I'm putting on my Petula high flow track pant, but I kind of, oh, it's a changing party.
Hey, Mama.
Hi. I kind of let you guys go last night because I was exhausted. So let's go see the damage of what I did, and then we're actually gonna go to Lowe's as a little fam bam. We're doing some house projects, including the closet. So these are my favorite pants right now. I'm wearing the 32-inch inseam. I don't think, like, I'm gonna go out on a like limb and say this. I do not think another Go get your ball, go get in the car. I'll be in there in 30 seconds.
Come on, let's go.
I'm coming. Genuinely, I don't think another company that I've worked with has made a pant this good. Like, this is probably one of my favorite bottoms that have come out in a long time per brand. Like, I love it. It's not like your typical legging. I'm just like, listen, I'm obsessed. I'm literally wearing the same shirt that I woke up in and no bra. Okay, let's finish out the vlog and I'll show you what we did. Come on. All right, here's what I ended up cleaning up. So you can see we have boxes, 2 tubs here, like completely full. 3 garbage bags. These are all like sweatpants, sweat sets. A bag full of just like a few purses. This blazer, which I'll never wear it again, you know? Ton of nursing bras. I hope someone can get use out of these. And then 3 more tubs of clothes. And then most of that I'm gonna take to donate. Some of that I have for my garage sale. I just have to kind of go through it now. So that's a little bit of a pain to now completely go through it again, but I got it all. We're gonna do it. By the way, how cute are these sunglasses? Literally $12 from this small business called Shop Mannings. I'll put it in the description box. Bought them immediately. I was like, yeah, I need those, so let's go. All right, why don't we wrap up this vlog? Thank you guys for tuning in. I am going to go to the gym, finish out my day, do some work. I'm actually wearing my Buff Bunny. I went ahead and changed for the gym. I'm gonna go hit some upper body. Did like these cute little braids in my hair and like tied them in the back. Like whatever, it just kind of keeps it out of my face. With my hair this short, I feel like I can't really like wear it up when I work out. And it's kind of a vibe when it's down. Like it's not really distracting. Definitely a win-win for the summer. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for cleaning with me. Honestly, recording it alone just kind of kept me accountable to getting it done. So again, if you want to win a big box from me, mostly size smalls, okay? You know my body. Enter below and I will share the winner and reply to one of you guys to win a big box. So comment below, like this video, make sure you're subscribed or else you won't win. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, which most of you do. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks for always hanging out with me and more beautiful things to come. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Maybe a full day of eating, maybe a workout. Do you want to do like a workout together, like actually together? I don't know. Love you guys.